we talk football, Bafana Bafana 1, Panama 2. Njengoba nje ngishilo ukuthi sinenkinga yokuthi amagoli asiwashayi namhlanje futhi kuphinde kwaba nenkinga efanayo. uHlongwane noFoster bengadlali kahle, okwenza ukuthi iPanama igcine isishayile ngo-2-1. Ithole vele amathuba amabili yawavalela phakathi. Ugolikipa ushintshiwe, kwangena uRonaldo Lina, kuphuma uWilliams. Lokho bekwenza ukuthi mhlawumbe sithi kuba wekhe kancane, kodwa phela futhi bembizela ukuthi ufuna ukumbona umfana ukuthi udlala kanjani. Ngeke ngithi akadlalanga kahle. Umfana ngeke futhi ngithi udlale kahle ngoba ungenile ngesonto sesibili umdlalo busulahlekile. Ukuphuma kuka-Jayden Adams kungena uYaya Sithole nakho kwehlisile umdlalo. Kodwa nje inkinga enkulu esinayo eSouth Africa, inkinga yokuthi i-striker asinazo. Amathuba ayakhandwa, amathuba midfield yawakhanda iwabeke lana sekufanele ukuthi kukorwe. Abantu bathi striker esingcono uReyners, mawuthi uyabhekana ku-PSL unamagoli awu-10. Naye ngeke ngize ngithi ngempela ungcono, kodwa-ke ungcono, kodwa akusona istriker nayo ongathi ungalala udle yena wonke amalanga. Ekudlaleni kwethu njengoba siya ku-World Cup, angazi sizobona uqhubeka, kodwa nje ngimanqika. Laphaya emumva uMbokazi no-Okoni badlale kahle kakhulu, kodwa indlela ekukorwe ngayo igoli kube nemibuzo, ngoba bebewu-5 labantu laba bangalena. Ekubeni ibhola beliza kahle akusho ukuthi kade lishesha. Ngasho ngithi hhayi, Bafana asenzanga kahle igoli, ikakhulukazi leli lokuwina. Ilona goli elikhombise ubuthaka bethu, noma mhlawumbe ukudonsa kancane kwaBafana ngokunganaki. Other than that, Panama, they are ranked 30th, but they didn't show it because they only created those few chances and they managed to score them. Unlike us, who created many chances but failed to score them, which is very important during the World Cup, that if you create chances, you score them because you're going to come up against the best. So I'm not impressed. Yes, the midfield was very good, especially in the first half where Jayden Adams and Gwena were controlling things in the middle of the park. But other than that, I didn't see anything that can take us to the second round of the World Cup. I think we still need to build for the next World Cup. Maybe even during that World Cup, we'll be building for another World Cup. But let's support the boys. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope they win. Let's hope they make us proud during the World Cup. But we need to work on our finishing dearly. Call Ikram Reyners. He is our best striker at the moment. Call him. He must be there. Mahopa only has 5 or 6 goals. Reyners has got 10. And the penetration, Reyners penetrates better than Mahopa. So I'm not impressed. I think we need to do better. I think we need to work even harder. I can stop there for now. But anyway, good luck, Bafana, for the World Cup. I'm not sure, but I think we're still going to get a few games. Thank you.